Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel CodeMed Mastery. In today's video, let us solve some practice questions from CPT surgery section Genitourinary system. That is 50,000 series. Open your CPT manual surgery genitourinary system. Let's start solving the questions. Before that, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video and subscribe to my channel. This is the first question. Let us solve this question by using elimination method. That is, before looking at the question, we'll check the options. In option A, B, C and D, let us check the first codes. In option A, C and D, the code is 57240 and in option B it is 57250. So let us check these two codes. 57240 is for anterior colporrhaphy, repair of cystocele with or without repair of urethrocoele including cystourethropy when performed. And 57250 is for posterior colporrhaphy, repair of retrocele with or without perineorrhaphy. Now let us read the question. Emma, a 46-year-old patient, underwent anterior colporrhaphy, repair of cystocele and repair of urethrocoele and inserted mesh. This procedure was completed via vaginal approach. How should you report this surgery? So they have mentioned anterior colporrhaphy. But the code 57250 is for posterior colporrhaphy. Therefore, we cannot code it. So we'll eliminate option B. Now we are left with option A, C and D. The first code is correct. But in option A, the second code is 57267. In option C, the second code is 57267 with modifier 51 and in option D, they have given only 57240. Let us check 57267. 57267 is an add-on code for insertion of mesh or other prosthesis for repair of pelvic floor defect each side, anterior posterior compartment vaginal approach. So, in the question they have mentioned inserted mesh. Therefore, we have to use the code 57267. You can see below the code there is a parenthetical note. We can use 57267 in conjunction with 57240 to 57265. Therefore, we can use this code. We will not append modifier 51 because modifier 51, that is for multiple procedures, is applied when you report two or more standalone CPT codes performed at the same session. 57267 is not a standalone code, it is an add-on code. Add-on codes do not require modifier 51 because they are never reported alone. Therefore, we are not using modifier 51. The right answer will be option A, 57240 with 57267. Next question. This is a case study question. First, let us look at the procedure performed. The procedure performed is cystoscopy, right ureteral stent change. Now let us directly look at the options. In option A and B, the code is 51702. In option C and D, the code is 52332. Let us check the code 51702. The code 51702 is for insertion of temporary indwelling bladder catheter, simple, for example, Foley. And option C and D, 52332 is for cystourethropy with insertion of indwelling ureteral stent, Gibbons or double J type. But in the question, they have given cystoscopy, right ureteral stent change. Therefore, we have to code 52332. We'll eliminate 51702 because it is for insertion of temporary indwelling bladder catheter. In the question, they have not mentioned temporary indwelling bladder catheter, simple. Okay, so we'll eliminate option A and B. Now we are left with option C and D. In option D, they have given RT modifier, which is for right side. You can see in the procedure performed, they have mentioned cystoscopy, right ureteral stent change. Therefore, we have to put RT. The right answer is option D. While solving lengthy case study questions, first we have to look at the procedure performed and then look at the options and start eliminating them. By this, you will save a lot of time. Next question. Let us look at the options. In option A and B, the code is 50545, and in option C and D, the code is 50220. 50545 is for laparoscopy, surgical, radical nephrectomy, and 50220 is for nephrectomy including partial ureterectomy, any open approach including rib resection. Now let us read the question. In the question, they have given urologist performed radical nephrectomy of the right kidney laparoscopically in a female patient with 48 years age but did not dissected adrenal gland. Quote the procedure. So which among these two codes is correct? The correct code is 50545. Okay? Because it is for laparoscopy, surgical. In the question, they have given laparoscopy, and it is for radical nephrectomy. They have mentioned radical nephrectomy. So we'll eliminate option C and D. Now we are left with option A and B. In option B, they have appended modifier 52. Modifier 52 is for reduced services. In the code 50545, they have given removal of regional lymph nodes and adrenal ectomy. Okay, but in the question they have given did not dissected adrenal gland. Therefore, we have to append modifier 52, which is for reduced services. The code 50545 includes adrenal ectomy, but in this particular scenario, they have given did not dissected adrenal gland. So, modifier 52 is appended in order to specify reduced services. The right answer is option B. Let us move on to the next question. Let us check the options first. Check the code in option A 53449. 53449 is for repair of inflatable urethral bladder neck sphincter including pump, reservoir and cuff. And option B 53442 is for removal or revision of sling for male urinary incontinence. Example fascia or synthetic. And option C 53440 is for sling operation for correction of male urinary incontinence. And option D 53431 is for urethroplasty with tubularization of posterior urethra or lower bladder for incontinence. Let us read the question. They have given a 50 years male with urinary incontinence. Sling procedure was performed 6 months ago and now returned for revision of a sling procedure. So, which is the correct code? The correct code will be 53442 because they have given removal or revision of sling for male urinary incontinence. Okay, all other options are wrong. Let us move on to the next question. Let us check the options. We'll check the first code from each option because it will be easy to eliminate the wrong ones. Let us check the first code from first option. 51575. 51575 is for cystectomy complete with bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy including external iliac, hypogastric and obturator nodes. Check option B first code 50825. 50825 is for continent diversion including intestine anastomosis using any segment of small or large intestine. Check the code in option C 51595. 51595 is for cystectomy complete with ureteroileal conduit or sigmoid bladder including intestine anastomosis with bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy including external iliac, hypogastric and obturator nodes. Option D first code is 51550 which is for cystectomy partial simple. Now, let us read the question. They have given, patient has extensive bladder cancer. She underwent a complete cystectomy with bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy and creation of ureteroileal conduit. So, which among these four codes is correct? The correct code is option C 51595 because it is for cystectomy complete with ureteroileal conduit or sigmoid bladder, including intestine anastomosis, with bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy, including external ilia, hypogastric and obturator nodes. In the question, they have given cystectomy, bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy, and creation of ureteroileal conduit. So, all this is mentioned in the code 51595. We'll eliminate option A 51575 because it is for cystectomy complete with bilateral pelvic lymphadenectomy, including external iliac, hypogastric and obturator nodes. But they have not given ureteroileal conduit. Therefore, we'll eliminate option A. We'll eliminate option B 50825 because it is for continent diversion including intestine anastomosis. That is not given in the question. Option C is correct and option D 51550 is wrong because it is for cystectomy partial simple. But in the question they have given cystectomy complete. Therefore, eliminate option D. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you want to study genitourinary system guidelines and also practice some more questions, you can check the playlist CPC exam genitourinary system series in my channel.